and welcome to the Financial Accounting class, SS2. I'm your teacher, Mrs. Isa Jamugamba. We are going to be looking at manufacturing account for this time, partnership accounts, partnership capital accounts, partnership profit and loss accounts. I will be looking at admission of new partner and goodwill account. Then we'll be looking at receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account. Now the introduction. What is manufacturing, or what is manufacturing account? Before we can define manufacturing account, I want to define manufacturing. Manufacturing simply means transformation of raw materials into finished goods. Some goods are semi-finished goods. For example, cocoa, Coca-Cola, Nestle, and so on. A manufacturing organization will require new materials, engage labor, and obtain inputs necessary to change the raw material into finished goods. Now, what is manufacturing account? Manufacturing accounts are prepared to ascertain the cost of goods manufactured during the financial year or at the end of the accounting year. Now, manufacturing account is the extension of trading profit and loss account. And we all know the reason why we prepare trading account, profit and loss account. Why we prepare trading profit and loss account is to ascertain or to obtain the gross profit or loss and net profit or net loss. Now, what is the purpose of manufacturing accounts? One of the purposes of manufacturing accounts is to ascertain the cost of goods manufactured, is to know the amount of profit or loss made in the process of what? Manufacturing, and to know the amount of money spent at the end of what? At the end of the year, during the manufacturing year. Now, in manufacturing accounts, there are costs that we need to look into. These costs are called costs of production. This is the total expenditure incurred in the production of output. And this is obtained by taking into account the total expenses which relate to the manufacturing process. This includes prime costs and factory heads. Now, division of costs. What are the division of costs? We look at the direct material, that is material you use in manufacturing, in the process of manufacturing. For example, direct material for manufacturing a clothes is what? Cotton. Then we have direct labor. Direct labor are people that work directly in manufacturing. Then we have direct expenses. Then in the process we have what we call indirect manufacturing costs. All these things, you add it to administrative expenses and give you a total cost. Looking at the selling and distribution expenses, you have all the financial what? Charges. Now, that is what we call prime cost in accounting. In manufacturing accounts, What is prime cost? These are costs that can be traced into a particular production unit. They are directly related to the manufacturing process. These are direct material, direct labor, direct expenses, and other direct expenditure. And these prime costs, these costs are also known as what? Overhead costs. We have direct material. What do you understand by direct material? This is the expenditure incurred on raw material which can be traced into a particular production unit. For example, the production of Fanta, you can trace the orange in making what? Fanta. The indirect labor. This refers to wages of employees who are directly engaged in the production process, e.g. wages of machine operators. Direct expenses. These are expenses which have direct identification with production, e.g. royalty, factory overhead. These are related to expenditure incurred in the running the factory, which cannot be traced to a particular production unit. They are direct costs consumed during the production process, e.g. factory rent, rates, depreciation of plant and machinery, indirect wages, upkeeping of factory buildings, and so on. And we'll do another one.